Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change theme in Hostinger Website Builder. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Hostinger account by entering your username and password. Once inside, head to the Website Builder section and open the site you want to update. From there, go to the Website Styles option, which is the main hub for customization. In Website Styles, you'll find several tools to refresh your site. Start with fonts. Choosing a different typography can instantly transform the overall feel of your website. Hostinger offers a wide selection, so pick one that best fits your brand identity. Next, explore color schemes. Colors set the tone of your website and can influence how visitors feel when browsing. Use the left panel to mix and match until you find the perfect combination. After that, check the layout options. A new layout can improve both the design and navigation for users. Don't forget page styles and blocks, which help you create a consistent yet unique look across different pages. Once everything looks good, hit Publish to make your changes live. So that's basically how you can change theme in Hostinger Website Builder. That's it for this video. Thanks!